Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. So let's start with opening the list of apps and let's find out which app is causing you some problems. So for example, let's pretend that I've got a problem with my browser. So now we have to open the settings and then scroll and find the option Apps and Services. Now let's tap on Apps, which are at the top. And now in this list, because this is the list of all apps which are installed on this device, we have to find the app which is causing us some problems. So in my case, browser. Just tap on it. And the first thing I highly recommend to do is to clear cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they might interfere. So just go to App Info here and go to Storage. Here we've got this cache section, so just tap on Clear Cache and your device will immediately remove it. Moreover, what I recommend to do here is to scroll up and localize this option Force Stop. Because sometimes if the app is working in the background, your device will obviously have some problems to reopen it because it is still opened. So just tap on Force Stop and tap on Force Stop, and now you can try to open the app, and usually those steps will work, so it will simply fix the problem. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to check for the updates, because sometimes older versions of apps also have some different kinds of problems with opening or working. So in order to do that, we have to open the app gallery. So I've got it in my folder. Obviously you will have it in a completely different place. Just find the app gallery and tap on it. And then go to this Me section, so your own profile in the right lower corner. And here we've got the app updates, so just tap on it. Here tap on View More, and what I recommend to do is to find the app update. So usually you will simply find the app and then tap on Update next to it, and let your device update the app. And to be honest, this is a deal breaker because usually the update step will fix all of the issues. However, if that didn't work, I also highly recommend to check for the system updates, not only because of the specific app, but basically for the security, etc. So to do that, let's go to the settings and here scroll all the way down to find system and updates, and then tap on software update. And your device will check for the updates. If you've got any kind of updates pending, I really highly recommend to download the updates. It is because sometimes the newer app versions might have some problems with working on older system versions. So updating the software is quite important. Moreover, as I said, it is also for the sake of the security. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.